Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check MuscleBlaze pre-workout is original. First, always look for the distinct MuscleBlaze hologram on the product packaging. This is a key indicator of authenticity. Next, use your smartphone to scan the QR code provided. This should link directly to the official verification page. Finally, carefully inspect the product's outer and inner seals for any signs of damage or prior opening. These steps are crucial for ensuring you have a genuine product. Moving on, pay close attention to the packaging details. Authentic MuscleBlaze products feature consistent font styles, vibrant colors, and a crisp logo. Any discrepancies could indicate a fake. Always confirm that the manufacturing and expiry dates are clearly and professionally printed, not smudged or altered. Cross-reference the batch number with information available on the official MuscleBlaze website for an extra layer of verification. These small details make a big difference. Now, let's examine the product itself. Genuine MuscleBlaze pre-workout typically has a consistent color and fine texture. It should dissolve well in water without leaving excessive residue. Take a moment to smell the powder. It should have its expected aroma, not a strange or chemical odor. Also, look for any unusual clumping or foreign particles, which are strong indicators of a counterfeit product. Trust your senses here. To minimize risks, always buy your MuscleBlaze pre-workout from authorized dealers or the official MuscleBlaze website. Avoid purchasing from unverified online sellers or local shops offering suspiciously low prices, as these are often signs of counterfeit goods. Your health and safety are paramount, so always prioritize authenticity. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the links in the description below. We appreciate your support and hope this guide helps you stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.